My dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be starting with exercise 4.2, which is in page number 86 of your book, Maths NCERT book. So the question is, give first a step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. The question is very easy. Just have in previous exercise we have set up an equation, right? We have formed an equation using the statement, we have formed an statement using the equation, but in this question equation is given to you all, right? Here you have to solve it. You have to find the value of x variable, unknown variable. All right, so in order to solve this, what I'm going to do is, here in every equation you know that there we have LHS left hand side, and the RHS, that is right hand side. So whatever I'm going to add or subtract in case of LHS, that I'm going to add in case of RHS also. If you are adding 1 over here, suppose let me say x minus 1 is the LHS part, so I will be adding plus 1. Why? Because there is minus 1, so I'll be adding plus 1 in order to cancel the value, in order to make it, in order to neutralize, or in order to make 0 there. So is equal to, if you are adding 1 in the LHS, of course don't forget to add 1 in case of right hand side also. Okay, so in order to make equal, what I have done, I have added 1 in both the side, that is left hand side and the right hand side, right? So this type of method, this type of equation, solving an equation, is called an equality. Equality means whatever you are adding or subtracting in case of LHS, that is absolutely needed to be done in case of right hand side also. This is the process called equality process, or the step or method. Okay, so now our step is, you know that minus 1 and plus 1 is 0, so there will be no numerical value, hence only x will be remaining there, is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So what is the value of our x? The value of our x is 1. I hope you people have understood this, the process of the method of equality, where in both the left hand side and right hand side, same numbers should be added or subtracted in both the side. Okay, let us now solve question number B. It is also similar to that only. So what we have to do is, we will be, as you can see, plus 1 is there in the left hand side. So in left hand side there is x plus 1 is the expression, and in right hand side there is 0, right? So what we have to do is, we have to subtract 1 in both the side, that is in the left hand side. Don't forget, most of the student does mistake that they put minus 1 over here, but on the other hand they forgot to put minus 1. This is not called equality. Okay, so neutralization should be done. So you know that plus 1 and minus 1 is 0, so nothing is left except x in the left hand side is equal to minus 1. So you can easily see that over here the question was minus 1, over here the question is plus 1. So to neutralize, I have subtracted 1 in both the side, and here I have added 1 in both the side. I got x is equal to 1, and here I got x is equal to minus 1. Extremely easy, right? So this process is nothing but an equality process. Now whenever you are considering an equality, the numbers should be added or subtracted in both the side. Don't forget that. Okay, now x minus 1 is the left hand side part, so I'll be adding 1 as there is minus 1. So plus 1 I am going to do. Similarly in the right hand side also I'll be adding 1. Next, x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, so nothing is left except 0 x. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and the value of x is 6. Very easy one. Next one, x plus 6 is there, so plus 6 I will be subtracting minus 6 in both the side, 2 minus 6 in the right hand side. Now x plus 6 minus 6, of course it will become x. Now 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Why? Because as you know that 6 is a greater number compared to 2, and 6 is carrying negative sign, and whatever sign it is carrying, the sign should be written there. If suppose there was plus, then you could have written plus 4, but there is a minus 6, hence minus 4 should be the value. I hope you have understood, right? The question is very easy. I request you all to do with me only, as because the process is simple. You will be understanding whenever you are doing with me. Okay, so y minus 4 in the left hand side should be added with plus 4. Why? Because minus 4 is there, so plus 4 should be added. Next, in the right hand side, plus 4 should be added. So you all know that minus 4 plus 4 is 0, so only y is left out. Now here minus 4 plus is minus plus is minus, so 7 minus 4 is 3, but sign will be minus y because 7 is a greater number, hence the value of y is minus 3. Next, number F, I request you all to do it yourself. Kindly do it. Let's do number G now. Here the question is very easy, very simple one. Y plus 4 is there, you have to subtract minus 4 in both the side. Whatever you are doing here, that should be done in the right hand side. I have already cleared this idea. So now y plus 4 minus 4 is 0, so y will be remaining there, but here also 4 minus 4 is 0, so y value is 0. Alright, so student, I hope you are understanding. This is the method of doing. Now the last question, that is number H from exercise 4.2, question number 1 is left out. This one also I request you all to do it yourself and comment me down what is the answer. Okay, so having any problem you can share with me. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.